Hi everyone, here's a book called Now by Tracy Corduroy and illustrated by Tim Warnes. Let's see what this is about. Now! Wow, he's really yelling. Otto found waiting a little bit hard. Faster, Dad! He wanted to have all the fun now. I'll help. Oops! Wait, Otto, that's too much! Each day was full of exciting things. And when did Otto want them? Now! 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 Wow, Otto is very impatient. But even Otto had to agree that now wasn't always best. Look at my picture. Amazing! Incredible! Let's hang it up now. Are you sure it's dry? Uh-oh, plip plop splat. Wow. He hung it up too fast. It was not dry. Then one day, Mom had exciting news. They were going on vacation. Yay! Now? Not quite now. Just 10 days from now. Ugh, but that's forever. To help Otto wait, they made a countdown chart. Dad used his special pens. But who is going to cross off the days? Me! They played airplanes too. Zoom! And made a jumbo jet model. It's just like the one we'll be flying in, Otto. See? Look at that. As Otto crossed off the days, he became more and more excited. Now? Not long, Otto. Now? Getting closer. Now? Yes, just one more night. Finally, it was time to go. Except, there was one big problem. Wait, cried Otto. We can't go now. I can't find Tiger. They searched everywhere. He must be here somewhere. Why not take Elephant instead? Mom and Dad looked at the clock. We're going to miss the plane, they gasped. Otto, we have to go now. They whisked Otto into the car, and guess who was there? Tiger! Oh, thank goodness, said Mom, and off they went. At the airport, the line was enormous, but Otto was very, very patient. Good boy. At last, they fastened their seatbelts, and zoom! Up went the plane. Was it worth the wait, Otto? Asked Dad. But all Otto could say now was, wow. Wow. The end.